Hello everyone. Here is my sustainable business idea, Medico RX, and we are the team of Gopi Prasad Bodepuri, Rajender, Edwin Sugana. And coming to my second slide, here is my business model. Medico RX supplies in an online system, which is useful for most of the customers who are in need, and it launched the website for the customer, and it is also having the wholesale selling of medicine and fixing appointments with the doctor. And here we are coming for the third slide. This is the process where we get online medical services from doctor to the needy customer, where we can meet both of the persons at the same place. So, the thing is medicines and the doctor. And coming to the fourth slide, this is the process how we have to take the appointment of the doctor. The simple thing is you have to open the calendar in your mobile, and you have to choose the date, and after choosing the date you have to select your doctor, like the treatment which you need and the medicine who they want to prescribe you. The thing is you can choose these two things available in your app, so that you can choose the things in your phone itself. And the revenue model how I get is Medico RX revenue model is divided in three parts. Like we can accept the commissions by marketing basis and the shipping charges. These are the three ways of revenue to the Medico RX. Social impact of Medico. Uh, Change the way of medicines, developing the online services, and after the needy the person when he enters into the mobile, the when he books an order so that he can reach his medicine in towards his doorstep, and the service available 24 into 7, and this is mainly useful for time save and the money. Thank you.